How to organize your thoughts? Here is a step-by-step approach. Start by brainstorming. Jot down all the ideas, information, and key points related to your topic. Don't worry about the order at this stage. Categorize your points. Group similar ideas together. This will help you identify the main themes or section of your answer. Prioritize your points. Determine the most important and relevant points that you want to include. Consider the purpose of your answer and what you want to convey to your audience. Create an outline. Arrange your points in a logical order. Start with an introduction to set the context. Then organize your main points in a clear and coherent manner. Use headings or subheadings to structure your answer. Expand on each point. Under each main point, provide supporting details, examples, evidence, or explanations. This will help you develop a comprehensive and well-rounded answer. Review and revise. Once you have written your long answer, review it for clarity, coherence, and flow. Make sure your points are well organized and connected to each other. Thank you. Bye-bye.